Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to fix bridge button not working. So guys, if you are facing this issue, don't worry. We are going to solve this issue by each step, okay? So first is check for the battery. The first thing to check is the battery in your smart button. If they are low or dead, the button will not working. Replace the battery with new one and see if that solve the issue, okay? So this is our first step. Our second step is ensure the button is connected. Make sure that your smart button is properly connected to your Philips Hue bridges. If it is not connected, then it will be not able to communicate with your smart light. To check the connection, open the Philips Hue app and go to setting and then accessory setup. Select your smart button and make sure it is connected. Okay guys. So our third step is reset the button. If the button is still not working, try resetting it to do this. Press and hold the button for at least 10 seconds until the LED on button start to blink. This will reset the button and disconnect it from the Philips Hue bridge. You will then need to reconnect it by going to setting and then accessory setup in the app. Okay. So our fourth step is check for interference. If your Philips Hue smart button is located near otherwise wireless devices such as router or cardless phone, it may be experiencing the interference. Move the button away from these devices and see if that improves its performance. So after that, our fifth step is make sure the button is in the range. The smart button need to be in the range of your Philips Hue bridge in order to work. If it is too far away, it may not be able to connect to the bridges. Try removing in the button closure and to bridge to see if that help. Like in this image, in like in this image, your button should be okay. So guys, this is our step. Thanks guys. Having a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.